Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant slow downloading and downloading stuck on 0.1 kbps per second. Let's fix that issue guys. First solution is to close all the application programs running in the background that you are not using until Valorant get updated. You just need to right click on the taskbar, select task manager, and all unnecessary apps you just want to un click on end task guys. Do like this, and you just need to end task like this. So this is the cause of two reason guys. If there is a lot of bandwidth, there are high memory usage, these are the problems when program is not performing proper and updating and downloading guys. So that you just need to end task it like Steam or Discord or anything like that. The high percentage usage, you just need to right click on it and select end task it guys. And after doing these steps, you just need to select the details tab over here. In details tab, you just need to scroll down and check for right client services. You just need to right click on it and select priority to high guys. Select high priority, select change priority. After doing this to high priority, you just want to close out of here. Step 2 is to change the DNS server address. For that, go to search menu and type ncpa.cpl. Type ncpa.cpl. Click on it. ncpa.cpl. Click on it. If you are using Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection, you just need to right click on the network connection you are using it, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Select properties and select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Select properties and select the use the following DNS address. You just need to prefer the DNS. You just need to type 8888. So here we need to use the Google DNS server guys. You just need to type use the DNS server address, preferred DNS 8888 and alternate DNS 8844 guys. Typing it, click on OK, click on close and close out of here as well. After doing these steps guys, now check it will properly updating and downloading guys. But if you still having a problem, restart your PC guys. Hopefully your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.